let's go into our beautiful H file in Game Map Maker. Now let's do new map, void save map. Let's see, new map. Here we go. Void Game Map Maker, save map. Alright, so here what we're gonna do is, it's gonna be easy. We're gonna do a std cout map name. Well, we do have the map name actually saved, so save map, new line, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna do if this map stage name. I'm kind of confusing myself with the map and the stage. New stage, new save stage, save stage. Let me just keep it all the same, because otherwise I'm gonna confuse myself. Stage. I don't know why I do dumb stuff like this, but that's all right. Now we're gonna have to go down here as well in map update. No, in update controls, I guess. New stage. Let's do the save thing as well. If keyboard is like what? Well, no, not S. Shift. What is it usually? Is it Control S? Yeah, it's Control S, right? Save. Save all. Control S. Yes. So if keyboard left control L control, please, bro. What is this? L control thank you. Good Lord have mercy. And whoops, that's not what I want to do. And keyboard is key pressed S. So left control S. We're gonna do save stage. Alright. And in our save stage, if see std off stream out, then I'm just gonna check it out. Out.open this stage name. If out.is open, let me see. No, in stream, right? If stream, because I'm just gonna, this is just to check if the file already exists. And if you open something without, I think it's gonna create that file for you if it doesn't exist. But if you try to open it with in, it's gonna give a little error here because it doesn't exist. In.is open, please see out. So file already exists. Overwrite 0 no 1 yes. New line. Okay, so there we go. We're gonna have a little thing here. If it is open, else if it didn't open, and then in.close, obviously I always want to close that, and then this is going to be the saving thing. So if it is open, overwrite we're gonna need two things here. We're gonna need a bool overwrite bool can save equals false from start, int choice equals 0. So std cin choice cout choice. Let me put that in. If choice equals 0, let me see if it's 0. Then we have an issue. I'm gonna actually go into my other project and I'm gonna copy paste something that I sadly don't remember. I'm gonna go into console RPG. I'm gonna get out something that had to do with bad input. Okay, so I'm just gonna go into this, the other project we're doing. This is from my console RPG. So let me just see, add to stats. Now where was it? Get a string, take damage. Let me just go into game. Obviously it's up here. Here we go. So this is the whole, you get the sin choice. You get the choice, and while it's failed and stuff, you get to keep doing stuff. So let me just copy paste that, close this. Let me just put it in here. So std sin choice is what we have. I'm just gonna copy std. Choice is greater than 1. So basically what this does is just keeps us from inputting anything else but a number and the correct number for that matter. So as we come here, we're gonna actually have a good input. Faulty input. There we go. That's what we're gonna do. Choice 0, 0 no, 1 yes. So if, let's do a switch case. No, actually just if choice equals 0, else. That's all we need. That's all we need. So if it's 0, that means no, we don't want to override it. Nothing's gonna happen. And then just std cout can't did not overwrite. New line. And if we try to do it here, then we're just gonna say this stage save stage, and then file name stage name, just like this. So if we want to overwrite, file overwritten, stage saved and overwritten. That's a hassle to write that word, overwritten. Okay, so that's good. Now if it's not open, then we'll just say, because if it didn't open, that means that file didn't exist. Stage saved, just like that, and then we'll close it. That's all we have to do. File already exists, save, just save. So we're gonna check this out. Boom, boom, boom. Ignore it. Boom, boom, boom. We're good. Alright, so let me just run this. And let's see. Let's open our file. Let's make some stuff happen here. And then Control S. That broke to hell. This was null pointers handle for exception. Oh, okay, because I'm trying to get a string for stuff. If this tiles at position I dot is null k. Then we'll do this, and that's all we need to do. That's how it's gonna just save the valid ones. Save it. File already exists. Overwrite one. Yes, I think it exists because. And then what if we do this? Save. Did not overwrite. What if we do this? Just before we end the video, it's pretty long now. What if we do this? We make a new map. Map name Lil. 200, 200. We have a new map. We just do this. And then we say country stage save. Alright, that's good. Stage save overwrite. Yes. That works now. That's good. That's good. That's good. Alright, guys and girls. That's about it for us. Let's go into our Wingman folder and see where it's saved. I think it just saves straight up in here. Here's Lil. Okay, let's see. Open edit with Notepad++. No. So let's see our first. Now I don't like this 000 stuff. I really don't like that. Really. So before I leave, we're gonna do this. Integer. Now instead of the position, what if we save the the whole grid position of it, not the actual position but the grid position of it. So when we load it, we won't load we'll multiply it with the Wingman thing. So get a string int, then divided by Wingman grid size, and then we'll get a better position on that. Let me see if all this works. So if we do this, we just do this, save, yes. So I don't know what that was. That was some file name issue. Stage. Go in here. So that was not Lil, that was empty. So now we have the positions 50, 50, 90. Oh no, 1, 4. Yeah, that's the grid positions. There we go. We got the grid positions, guys and grills. So that's good. Now when we load it, we're not gonna load it like that. We're gonna load it through just multiplying with Wingman grid size, and then we're gonna get a nice little thing here. What if we save the grid size for that? We could do that, but we'll do that in the next one. This video is really long, but thanks for sticking with me. I hope that helped. I hope that taught you something. Otherwise, we're going pretty fast forward in this game, so we're soon done. I'd say we're soon done. We're just gonna do some boss stuff and fix the stages in the backgrounds, and then we'll see. We're pretty much done. We're gonna add some small stuff to it. But thanks for watching as always. Thanks for the support. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. All right? Bye bye.